You want to generate some images with AI, but you're tired of running out of tokens. And you think to yourself, I've got a pretty powerful GPU, why can't I just use that to generate images? Well, I've got a short tutorial for you. It's only about 4 steps, and it will show you how to install Stable Diffusion's WebUI on your own computer using your own GPU. Let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is install Git, specifically Git Bash, on your Windows machine. To do that, you can just copy paste this link that I'll put in the description here, and that will give you the download for git.exe. And we're just going to run that exe, choose all of the default values, and once we got it installed here, it's going to pop up a window, and that's how you know it worked. Now we're just going to go to the directory we want to put this program in, right-click, say Git Bash here. Type git clone, and we're going to go over here and just copy that HTTP link, paste it right after the clone, and that'll clone it into the directory for you. Now, as you can see, we've got our files here, but we can't run them yet because we don't have Python. We're going to want to get Python 3.10.6. We can do that by just typing Python for Windows. We're going to want to scroll on down until we see 10.6 here. Now open up that executable you downloaded, and this is very important. Click this option down at the bottom that says Add Python 3.10 to path. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to run anything. Now once that's installed, I recommend disabling the path length limit here. Now to finalize our Python install, we're going to open up a PowerShell window. We're going to want to go in here and upgrade pip, which is our package manager for Python. So to do that, we just type python.exe -m pip install -- upgrade pip. And that'll upgrade our pip. And now all we got to do is go into the directory that we just cloned from the repository, head on down to the WebUI, make sure that the WebUI is the Windows batch file, and just double click it. Now it's going to download all of its packages. Once it's done, if it runs successfully, you should see a link pop up at the very bottom. It'll probably look similar to this one here. So just go to that link in any web browser. Now that it works,
Nice.
now that we have our web UI, we just need to give it a creative prompt and see if it can generate us an image. So I'm going to give it Donald Trump cuddling Joe Biden. That seems pretty good. Let's hit generate. You can see the image as it generates here. There we go. That's not bad. Doesn't really look like Joe Biden, but you know. All right, that's the end of the tutorial. Hope it was helpful. I've tried to keep it as brief as possible. Got any questions? Let me know in the description. I'll be more than happy to answer them.